that you see, this is all liver.
Okay.
Okay, in the center, kind of greenish, is the gallbladder. Okay, move this aside, you see the stomach, it's J-shaped. Okay, the stomach goes into the spiral intestine. Okay, inside it's like a spiral staircase, has many valves, and that's the strategy for increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption in that small length. Okay, at the bottom of the spiral intestine, this sac right here is the rectum, and see right beside that, and we should open this up a little bit more. Yeah, okay, so here you have the rectal gland. It's like finger-like projection. That maintains the salt balance for the fish. Okay, now back up here where the stomach and the spiral intestine join, you're going to find the pancreas, and there's two lobes. Okay, so right here, this round one is one lobe of the pancreas. Inside here, this elongated one is the other. So both of these are pancreas. Okay, this, at the base of the J, you find the spleen. Okay. Now behind the liver, in the dorsal part of the body, you're going to find the gonads. So this is the ovary. Okay, right here. The ovary is attached to an oviduct. You saw that in the pregnant one. It's much harder to see when she's not pregnant, but there's a tube that goes down the body wall right here. That's the oviduct, and all the way at the bottom you'll find the uterus. Let me see if I can see it better on this side. Okay, so again, behind the liver you find the ovary. Okay. Here again, this tube that goes down the body wall is the oviduct. And here you go. This is the uterus right here. This little sac. So you saw how enlarged it gets when she's pregnant, right? So just that little sac is going to be holding all those babies. Okay. The heart, right here.
Can I empty out my stomach?
Excuse me? Sure. Okay, this big muscular chamber that you see here is the ventricle. Okay, underneath that, more floppy, thinner walled, is the atrium. You can see that usually on both sides. This is also atrium here. And when you flip up the ventricle, this little triangular area that you see right here, okay, that is the sinus venosus. So that's where all the deoxygenated blood pools. From the sinus venosus, it goes to the atrium, from the atrium to the ventricle, and then from the ventricle to the conus arteriosus. From there it goes to the ventral aorta, to the gills for oxygenation. Okay, you can also see, kind of cut it a little bit, but this ridge of tissue that you see right here, that the oviduct runs on top of, this ridge is the kidney. Okay, so it's considered retroperitoneal. So you have a kidney on each side. Here's the other one here. It's not as noticeable, but that ridge of tissue right there is the kidney. So it's actually buried beneath the peritoneal tissue right here. That shiny stuff is the peritoneum, which makes this a true coelom. So these are coelomates too. And that's pretty much it for the internal anatomy. You guys should, that have the pregnant one, should see